Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to use Claude AI as an agent in 2026. This year, we've moved from just chatting to doing. Claude can now browse your local files, run terminal commands, and even move your mouse to complete complex, multi-step tasks. Let's get right into the 4 different agentic versions of Claude. 1. Claude Code, the developer agent. This is a command line agent that lives directly in your terminal. It doesn't just suggest code. It autonomously researches, edits, and tests your entire project. How to use: open your terminal in your project folder and type Claude. Give it a goal. You can say, find the bug in the login flow and fix it, or refactor this entire folder to use TypeScript. What it does: Claude will scan your files, propose a step-by-step plan, ask for your permission, apply the edits, and then run your test suite to make sure the fix actually works. 2. Claude Cowork, the desktop agent. Available in the Claude desktop app, this agent uses computer use technology to literally see and interact with your screen like a human would. How to use: open the desktop app and select the Cowork tab or the agent icon. Give it a task. You can say, look at my open Excel sheet, find the top 5 customers, and draft personalized emails to them in my browser. What it does: you will actually see Claude take screenshots, move the cursor, and type into different applications to complete the workflow across your desktop. 3. Claude Projects, the knowledge agent. This acts as a passive agent that serves as a permanent expert on your specific data. How to use: go to Claude AI, create a project, and upload your knowledge base, manuals, code bases, or transcripts. Set instructions: tell it to always act as a strict legal auditor or follow our internal brand voice. What it does: it filters every single response through that specific training, acting as an automated specialist that knows your data better than a